Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be going again through Pro, some of the features, who knows, we might find some interesting coins. And also, I'll be doing that in combination with Sniperoo. Okay, Sniperoo, as we all know, it's very cool trading bot, okay, which is actually doing the trades in milliseconds. It's very quick. So and it's going well with the Axiom Pro. Okay, it's also very well compatible with GMGN, Bullux, Nova, and others. However, as we all know, or at least some of you guys who actually do some trades or just look into the meme coins, those Axiom Pro, this platform is actually quite cool, right? And it is getting more and more traction. Okay, like since February, all right? So it rise from about 4.3 million all the way to 9.5 million visitors, okay? Despite the fact that the other platforms are losing some traction because, the cycle, last year's cycle, like, end of the last year, beginning of this year, went a little, with like there was a bit of a bullish signs. So some of those trading platforms, they lose some traction, while here on the Axiom Pro we are getting more and more users, right? It's only because this is a very cool platform. You can find everything what you're looking to get out of this, right? So basically, look, this buy button here on the Sniperoo is already built in, which is absolutely fantastic, because if you know some coin and you want to do a quick buy, you just need to click on it, boom, and you will be able to buy this coin instantly, okay? The other thing which I really do like about the Axiom Pro and Sniperoo, especially on the Axiom Pro, is when we do this, when we add this widget here, okay, this widget will be going with us on each and every page of this Chrome session. Remember, this is a Chrome-based solution, the Sniperoo app, right? So you have to bear in mind that you have to go first. You need to go. Look, you see, this is all the time. It's with us here, no matter which tab we'll be looking at. Okay, this is all the time with us, right? Which is quite cool. If you got some open positions here, you just need to go to open positions and you can follow those positions all the time. You can do some additional research, but those positions will be visible here, and you can make a decision. If you see that some of them they're going down, you can quickly sell them. If you see some of them going up, we can go back to the chart and see what's going on. We might do some adjustments here and there. Why you guys seeing this one here? Okay, I don't know. The thing is that I cannot sell it, right? Probably there is no liquidity inside this one anymore, and I cannot even do anything about this particular coin. It was a loss, yes, obvious, but I want to just remove from my interface on Sniperoo. So I'll be very keen to hear if the Sniperoo guys can actually do something about it, or maybe do some instructions, on how to do it, or maybe they already done it. I just didn't find it. Okay, I might ping them on Discord maybe to check it out. By the way, you should go to Discord, right? Discord on Sniperoo is absolutely fantastic. Those guys are really legit, right? They have a very cool number of users. I'm gonna show you now. Now you can see here we are now inside the Sniperoo Discord channel, right? There is so many going on at the moment. Many people actually sharing their thoughts about the trades. There are some strategies being shared, which is absolutely fantastic. Okay, for some of you guys who is looking for some sort of advice, or maybe some sort of guidance, so you can definitely go and check it out on their Discord. Oh, guys, before we move on, I just have to mention that whatever I'm saying here is not a financial advice, so don't get it wrong. Whatever I'm saying here is not a financial advice. Do your own research. Everything what you are being investing here inside those platforms like Axiom, for example, through Sniperoo, any others. It's very risky, okay? All those meme coins are very risky, so you have to know what you're doing before you decided to put your own money into it. So this video is only for educational and entertainment purposes. Okay, so let's go back to it, right? Sniperoo Discord, okay? Obviously they have some rules, no spam and all these other bits and pieces, welcome here. What I really like to here is obviously you can go to general and you can talk to them, right? Okay, and there is so much conversation going on and on. They have like a pump fund trenches here. People are talking about those coins which they launch on the pump fund, okay? BNB trenches, okay? They also have this one allocated this channel for only BNB challenges, crypto discussions. Okay, so that's something which you obviously you can go ahead and join there. Trading strategies, that's something which you might really found interesting. Okay, because those trading strategies, okay, some of those people actually know they already done it, and they want to share with you. Like for example here, okay, would you like to would it look like this? Okay, target 1, target 2, and here go. So you can go and into the discussion with those people actually and see if there is anything you want to add. Is there anything you want to actually discuss further, ask questions. Highly encourage you guys. Okay, token stats, captain signals, that's something which, look, they also have their own signals channel, right? So you can go and do some signals, trades based on their signals. Obviously, I highly encourage you to do your own research on top of that. But look, still, in some of those groups, you have to pay additional for it, before you get any signal. Here you got everything. It's a built-in, same like token stats, right? You don't have to pay a penny for it. You just need to go and join their Discord, and you have it there. Twitter, right? You got they have their own Twitter tracker. Okay, some of you already know that the Twitter tracker is very cool. It's nice to have it. Okay, for example, here on Axiom, they also introduced one here. Okay, and you can go and you can add the handles. Okay, you just do it that way. You can go to Twitter tracker, right? We are here, right? So what do we do? If you get any Twitters which you want to go ahead and add it on, and you just need to put the list here and this imported. Okay, if you don't have it, okay, Twitter, you can go and add some trackers, like you can do it one by one. All right, and you just need to add the handle here, and then you can use, for example, and you can hide the tweets, you can profile updates, you can hide this, you can hide this, if you don't want to see too much information. And also what you can do, you can use their own list, like top subscribers. Okay, they are top subscribers, you just need to go and add them on, right? So it really depends which way you prefer. Okay, if you don't have any idea, I highly encourage you to go with those top subscribers and just add it on random people, which because they were selected already, so they are some sort of KOLs anyway, so definitely you can start with doing that way. And then once you're there, okay, you can go ahead and start tracking those, and it's very cool because when you go into the discovery tracker perpetual, this tracker alerts here, they're always here on this side. You can move them, depends where you like it. I like it here on the left hand side. Okay, and I still haven't decided which hands do I want to add. I added some, but there was a bit of noise, so I removed them, and I want to put some more attention which Twitter tracker I want to add it on here. Okay, and look, your toolkit, you got a Twitter tracker here. Okay, you got what's, for example, trending currently on the Axiom, or for example here on the pools, find trenches migrated. Okay, you got a Sniperoo buy button next to it. You can decide it if you want to add buy something like an instant. You just need to click on it. What you also can do, you can add this. Look how easily that has been squeezed, right? So you can add the Sniperoo. So when you go to the other things, you will see that, as already mentioned, on the right hand side. But if you are on the Axiom Pro, okay, it will be all squeezed. However, it's still clearly visible. Okay, so you can see you can see Twitter alerts. Okay, you can see what's going on currently on the trenches. Like the new pairs, final stretch, migrated, discovery. Whichever perpetuals, doesn't matter. It's there. And also Sniper is on the right hand side. If you got some open positions, you definitely can go and look into it, right? So let's go back to Discord, on Sniperoo. Okay, so for example, if you have, as mentioned previously, you can go and do some handles on the Axiom Pro. But let's say that you don't have any, and you want to just, look into the existence, being already filtered by Sniperoo. There you go. It's already there. It's free of charge. You can go and look into it, and you can, base some, decisions on this Twitter tracker, which is available in Sniperoo for free. Bear in mind, it's for free. You don't have to pay a penny for it. Okay, some other trigger trackers you have to pay for. Here, it's for free. Okay, this one, Axiom Pro, already, I think there used to be a rule that you have to have at least 5 SOL traded on the Axiom Pro. by the time you'll be able to use the Twitter alerts. It looks like this rule is not applicable anymore. Everyone can use it, okay? So it's taken advantage of it because it's very cool, to have it. One other strategy you can go and take it is you can take some of those handles here, right? So for example, this one, right? Let me see, how do I copy this one? Okay, so let's say that I want to copy this particular handle, right? So let's go to our Twitter tracker. Okay, let's go to trackers, right? Add Twitter handles, all right? And we just be doing for example, this fella, right? So we want to go ahead, sorry, not this way, add handle, right? There you go. And let's go and do this way, right? So we can go and add it on, right? And it's already there, right? So you got tweets, you got profiles, follows, and so on and so forth. So you can do it also that way, right? So and this one I found here on Sniperoo Discord, so I highly encourage you to go through some of those Twitter accounts. Okay, they already have it here, and you can go and start doing this. Okay, so this is something which it might be worth it to go and try. Okay, so like 30-day insights on this specific way, powered by Mobi. Okay, so this Twitter account it's a Mobi Twitter account. Okay, so it's not like a Twitter account here. Okay, so tweeted whale watch alert. Okay, so they're what they doing it with their Twitter account, Twitter tracker. Okay, they moved that, they added that with this Mobi whale watch alert. Okay, which is quite cool because those type of bots, right? So they have the only tracking whatever it's been used by the whales. Okay, so people who actually has money and have a large amount of volume coming through their wallets, and they are successful basically. Otherwise they wouldn't be whales if they wouldn't be successful with their trades. Not every trade is successful, but some of them, most of them, they are. Okay, so that's how they actually do it. I highly encourage you to go with that. Telegram Alpha Signals also very cool. That's also free of charge on Sniperoo Discord. Signals recap, signals discussion, and you can go ahead and do that as well. A Sniper API, if you are one of the devs or you know how to actually do some sort of coding, you can definitely check it out, this channel here. And DevDoc, right? That's where if you actually are one of those people who actually know how to code and want to do something about it. So guys, I think that's all. I don't want this video to go too long, okay? I thought that we'll be going through some of those wallets which I have here and see what's going on there, but I think I will leave it for the next video as I don't want this one to go too long, right? So guys, once again, thank you very, very much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave it down below. If you if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you can subscribe to my channel, it will be much appreciated. Thank you very much for watching.